Okay, so this is the problem you're asking about. So your accumulated value is going to be what, the 40,000, and you're going to invest 21,000, and then it's continuously compounding. So it's going to be E raised to the rate, which we don't know. So we'll call that R, and then times 8 years. And so I think you said you were a little concerned about the right here where we're going to divide by 21,000. Really, you don't even need to simplify it because it's going to go in the calculator in a moment. But basically, if you do want to make it a little bit smaller, just chop off the zeros, any zeros that they both have on the ends. So that reduces down to 40 over 21. This will cancel out completely here. And so we're going to be left with, let's see, 40 over 21 equals, I'm going to give a little bit of space here because oops, R times 8. Because what we're going to do here now is we're going to sneak in and take the natural log of both sides. So when I take the natural log, and let me fix that R. Okay, let's see, R. Oop. Okay, there we go. Um, so what I'm going to have to do in a minute is I'm going to put that in the calculator. So, well, let's see. First, this cancels out, okay? So I'm left with R times 8 equals whatever the natural log of 40 over 21 is, which we'll figure out in a second. And then what I'm going to do is divide that result by 8, and that will be my rate. Now, be careful because on the exam they might want it as a percent, and we'll have to move the decimal place. But let's go ahead and find that real quick, and then we can figure that part out. So let's see, natural log of 40 divided by 21. And I'll go ahead and press enter now. I could go ahead and say divide by 8, but let's see what that is. So that's that value. Now I'm going to divide it by 8. And so I'm getting 0.0805. So that's what I'm going to write down. 0.0805. So if they ask for the rate as a decimal, this is what you'd put, and just be careful to round however it may ask. But if they're asking you as a percent, you have to move the decimal place 2 spots, so it'd be 8.05 percent. Let me see. Let's see, 8.05%. So that's how that's written as a percent. You just move it 2 decimal places over. So, all right. So I hope that helps you out.